So for the past month or so, I have been procrastinating and BSing myself over when would be the right time to make a short form piece of content like this. I had this whole idea planned and mapped out, but I had limited access to transport, and the location I set my heart on was too far to comfortably walk. So I waited and waited, and now it has come to me that this entire time I could have been coming up with new ideas instead of waiting for an undisclosed amount of time. Now, I still intend on shooting that video when the universe allows, but I'm trying this out instead. What do you think? This is just a tester video to see how it all goes. More will follow. Oh, and by the way, I'm a musician, wannabe composer, and I've just released a new track. Check it out. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more. Oh.